In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to tap on Apps. Select Choose Default Apps and tap on Home App to apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Then hit Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, tap on the same settings, go into Default Home App section and tap on your default app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!